Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Messenger account on your iPhone using the new 2025 interface. Remember, you need to have your Facebook account deactivated first since Messenger depends on it. Let's get started. Now, before you proceed, make sure you've deactivated your Facebook account. This step is essential because Messenger won't allow deactivation if your main Facebook account is still active. Next, open the Messenger app on your iPhone and log in to the account you wish to manage. Now, tap your profile picture or settings icon. In the updated UI, you might find it as part of the new layout, typically located at the bottom right or in a prominent spot. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled See More in Account Center. Tap on that option to dive deeper into your account settings. Now that you're in the Account Center, select Personal Details. This section is where you control your account ownership settings. Next, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here, you'll see options for deactivating or deleting your account. Now, tap on Deactivation or Deletion and select the option to deactivate your Messenger account. You'll be asked which Facebook associated account you want to deactivate. Choose Messenger. Next, enter your Facebook password to verify your identity and tap Continue. Follow any remaining prompts to finalize the deactivation process. And that's it. Your Messenger account is now deactivated using the latest 2025 interface. If you ever want to reactivate it, simply log back in with your credentials. If this video was helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.